Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS with spacers.
You can run different sizes with spacers with no problem. For most cars, there is difference in the track width between the front and the rear. By increasing the track width, these BMW spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. As a reliable, precise hub-central with spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. BONOSS hub-central with spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. BONOSS BMW with spacers provide additional advantage. These BONOSS Forge active cooling with spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipating groove behind with spacer boosts the cooling efficiency.
Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling,
reducing brake thermal decay and improve safety.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS with spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.